Hi guys, it's Patrick from Wrestling Nerd. Second video in one day that I'm working on, so here we go. It's Wrestlecrate time. Let's see what we got. Ooh. The Becky Lynch diecast figure. I've actually got the Brock Lesnar one of that. A friend picked me up. So that's that. What else we got? Wrestlecrate exclusive PWD Wrestling. Try and make this the quickest one ever. Pin badge ring 27. I still need to order my hat from them guys. Got the Wrestlecrate edition, which is that one, and then there's a ring 27 edition and a Wrestlecrate Choose edition. Beautiful. Poster time. What poster we got? Keith Lee. Lovely jubbly. T-shirt time. Now Nick Cage. Looks pretty sweet. Sticker from last month's t-shirt. A face mask. What looks of it. Ooh. Actually, that feels better than the one I went. Ooh, that's quite thick as well. I need to wash it though. It smells a bit musky. Right up. The Matt Hardy print, which I'm very happy about because I did lose my Matt Hardy autograph when I met him 2 years ago. I can't find that, so getting that again is perfect for me. Stapleton Austin, lovely picture. New print. Last but not least is the Wrestlecrate October 2020 catalogue. On the back we have Cultaholic store, which I think they're working with Wrestlecrate for. I'm not sure if anyone from Wrestlecrate watching can tell me that. Let's check. Yep, everything's there from the catalogue, and obviously next month we get an exclusive Cultaholic t-shirt. So guys, that is that. I've done it as quick as possible because, like I say, I've done one video today, filmed one video, I filmed a video and then filming another video, so we're kind of back in. This one's going straight up, so this one can actually go straight onto YouTube. And then random day out, if it never gets up, will be up. And then I've done a real versus fake with the football jerseys shirts from AliExpress, compared it against a real shirt, which might interest guys. And that is it for me for this video. So guys, I will see you when I see you. If you've liked watching my Wrestlecrate unboxing, please give us a like, give us a thumbs up, as I say, subscribe, comment below what you liked best, or what's your favourite Wrestlecrate item, what do you want to see from Wrestlecrate, let me know. I'll see you guys later. Thank you very much. Goodbye.